Geny Sheriff described her role in Gibfibre as that of overseeing company operations, making sure people were doing as they meant to, ensuring budgets and deadlines were met. She opened by saying she had some understanding of the technology used and offered by Gibfibre, but was not especially familiar with the technical architecture, which she left to the experts. This set the tone for much of the day's examination. Despite being pressed, Ms. Sheriff repeatedly responded to Mr. Palmer's questioning on client support, technological details and the structure of Gibfibre's services by telling him that these were questions for the experts. The expert in question is Gibfibre's head of technology, Miguel Bernice, who is expected to give evidence tomorrow. Mr. Palmer put Gibtelecom's view of the situation to Ms. Sheriff as follows. He said Gibtel invested capital in setting up its own carrier-owned data centre in Mount Pleasant. It grants access to Sapphire networks in order to ensure it can offer resilience to its clients. Gibtel is entitled, said Mr. Palmer, to recover and make a return on its initial investment. He claimed Gibfibre's plan was to gain access to Mount Pleasant and undercut Gibtel's prices, as it wouldn't have to worry about recouping any startup investments. Ms. Sheriff said Gibfibre had wanted the same provision as Sapphire. She said potential clients should have the right to choose their own providers. Mr. Roberts said Gibtel had no interest or obligation in providing access to Gibfibre, and that Gibfibre was entitled to set up its own data centre, which he noted it has indeed done in recent years. The trial continues tomorrow at 10 a.m.